MB Enclosures has his own YouTube channel, and this guy is an animal when it comes to designing boxes.
Unbelievable. I couldn't even believe that there was 2 8s in there.
This guy right here is doing something special.
I welcome y'all to MBE. What you about to see, box building in a different league. In this SQL scene, believe that money ain't a thing when it comes to his kings. Now that's fact, not fiction. Call 44694 48 then 18. Don't matter, you got 4 8s or 1 8 or anything between. He got what you need.
This is my crew. This is my gang. These are my kings. Hey, what's up? Welcome to the channel. I definitely had to make this video to show just show you how great American ingenuity is and how it's heavily influenced and copied the world over. So remember, this is American based. I mean, this is a Digital Designs 2508. Remember the parts that I told you are made in America? Well, this surround is made right here in the US of A. Okay? The principle behind it is that the expansion joints, right where the surround would dimple, we're able to get more of a stretch so that it doesn't dimple and give us more linear output. Well, that was copied in China. And so now at first it was just doing the rib surround. And there was just same density on their surrounds all the way across the board. In fact, you can see it on the, let me see it closer. Do I have one out right now? No, but you can definitely see it on the Toro Force 8. The Toro Force 8 that was copied in 2508. F, because this is F, okay? Well, they had the shape, but it didn't actually have the different density. Well, here we have the actual different density used so that you have a greater expansion throughout the stroke. It was finally copied in China. This is the Chinese-built subwoofer. This is American-built subwoofer. And even so, this coupled with the Spider enables for tremendous output over the course of the entire song, whereas this one is more just a peak. But the influence had to be shown with the originator on my channel. I had to give credit to DD for even coming out with this idea and expounding on it even more so. And now they say, imitation is the best form of flattery. They're imitating. But let me let y'all understand this. I must say this here. They're imitating what DD has already left. Stay right here. This is the current 2508G. As you can see, it's considerably bigger, and the surround goes farther out and it's a little wider than even what we have here and on the 2508F. This is 2508G, the current version. And as you can see, the expansion joints are even wider to give you more authority on the lows. This one has 20 millimeters X max. This one had 18. This one's listed as 11. So as you can see, even though they did copy the 2508F, there's still a whole generation behind of where DD is at. I just need to point that out, that even though he's copied the surround, that is not the current surround that DD is using. And most of the manufacturers out that copy DD and utilize some of their ideas into their platform, normally they be behind its times. But it can go both ways. Honestly, it can. Before the introduction of the 2508G, the American base had already utilized a heat sink on their design. And some people say, well, that actually came from Orion. could be possible too as well, because Orion had a heat sink on the back of their motors as well. But once again, what's not apparent here with their heat sink up the pole, that's apparent here on the 2508G, which utilizes it with even more aluminum and vents up the pole for even more cooling than standard on the 2508F. It was done better with DD. So the ability to play louder longer, to spill the heat goes there. The greater X max and control goes to DD as well. But this is I guess a affordable copy, kind of like a copy, affordable imitation. That's a plus. That's a plus. Peace.